Kafka Granite's wax-coated aggregate is a really great option for park and rec projects throughout the country. We have municipality projects, park projects, we have hiking trails, we have shared use trails for biking and walking, we have mountain bike trails like we're at here today. So it's a great solution to keep in your back pocket as a park and rec professional. Kafka Granite's wax-coated aggregate is a proprietary product. It is a natural crushed stone to a very specific gradation, and it's completely coated in wax. So what that does is it seals the aggregate, allows it to repel water. It cannot freeze because it can't take on water. It doesn't get dusty in really dry climates, but it also acts as the binding agent. In the world of paving, a lot of times you're up against things like concrete or asphalt, none of which are the answer for a more sustainable surface. However, when you go to something that's like a natural crushed stone, that's great, but you look at life cycle value, and that constantly needs replacing, that constantly needs maintenance. So having something that is a single solution that isn't going to require a lot of maintenance and a lot of time and a lot of energy to maintain, but it's still natural stone is wonderful. And that's what our wax-coated aggregate is. In a lot of these applications, you're dealing with a lot of grade, you're dealing with steep berms, you're dealing with rolling hills, you're packing around rocks and features and jumps, and having that flexibility and adaptability with the product was really exciting.
Trails are always fighting the forces of Mother Nature, from rain, wind, sun, temperatures, freeze-thaw. Seeing how you can rough it up, you can get a trowel or a shovel into it, kind of move with it again and then repack it. That's a lot easier to maintain than going out if you have a failure of asphalt or a chip seal or a big dirt berm that just failed. So the maintenance aspect is what we're really excited about. And then just the all-weather access for it. When Tiffany poured that bottle of water on the surface and it beat it up and then started just rolling off the trail, I'm like, oh, okay. We gotta talk some more here. This could be the silver bullet we're looking for in the trails industry.
This product is waterproof. I think that's the biggest comment we get is this is waterproof material. You know, it's pretty awesome. And on a trail, it's kind of unheard of. To work with it was really unique. And once you get that stuff packed down, it's ready to go. It's ready to ride on right away.
Working with Kafka Granite and our wax-coated aggregate is an investment on the front end, but having something that doesn't require such intense maintenance saves a ton of money and resources over time. And one thing that's really special about our wax-coated aggregate is it has been tested for ADA accessibilities, so it is really made for anyone. To have a trail that can be completely sealed and waterproof, look and feel really natural, be super simple to install and maintain is really very exciting to the people that are building trails across America.